Hey TTC family, and welcome back to another video. So in this video we're going to be learning on how to spell and write the word fun. So grab a piece of paper and something to write with and let's get started. So the word fun has 3 letters, and those letters are F, U, N. And F-U-N spells the word fun. Now I want you guys to spell the word fun with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. F-U-N spell the word fun. Great job. So now we're going to write the word fun. So the first letter in fun is F. Our second letter in fun is U. And the third and last letter in the word fun is N. And F-U-N spells the word fun. Let's go ahead and write that one more time together, friends. So our first letter is F. The second letter is U. TTC family, what's our third and last letter in the word fun? Yes, that last letter is N. And F-U-N spells what, friends? Correct. F-U-N spells the word fun. So now let's have some fun and play a little game called Guess the Missing Letter. So we're going to use the word that we just learned how to write and spell in this video, which was the word fun, and then we're going to have to guess the missing letter. So go ahead and close your eyes. Miss T is going to write 2 letters, 2, maybe 1, and then you guys have to figure out the missing letter. So go ahead and close your eyes for me. Let's see. What letter should Miss T write? I got it. All right, open your eyes. Now look, what letter are we missing? Think about it. What letter are we missing? Nice. Yes, the letter that we are missing is U. So let's put our U. Let's play again. Go ahead and close your eyes. Miss T's going to erase everything. Close your eyes. No peeking. Okay, I got the letter. All right, open your eyes. What letter are we missing now? What letter is missing? Correct. We're missing the letter F. Let's put our F. All right, let's play one more last time. This time I'm going to make it a little bit harder for you guys because you guys are great at this game. Let's see. Oop, I got it. Make sure your eyes are still closed. All right, open your eyes and look. What letter are we missing? Well, letters. What letters are we missing here? Correct. The letters that we are missing is F and U. Nice job, TTC family. You guys are super smart. I thought I could fool you guys, but there's no fooling you guys. I want you to kiss your brain. Nice job. Alright, TTC family, I will see you in the next video. Bye! Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time!